sometimes I just really want like a couple like specific things, you know what I mean? It's so good, it's all chopped up. Getting not a Diet Coke, oh I wish. Don't know, but this is, oh I got two really cute things I want to show y'all.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Hello, I know I haven't vlogged in a while. It has been quite a while since I vlogged. I mean, I've done some like trips, like vlogs on trips and stuff, but not a full vlog though. So let's just do it. I'm gonna do like a few days in my life video. It's like 5 p.m. right now. It's kind of late to start this, but it's fine. I am gonna get my nails done with my sister in a little bit, and I have just had a crazy day of work. I just have accepted a lot of new projects and new things for myself, and then also like for work. So I just have a ton going on and I'm a little overwhelmed, but it's fine. That's just life, you know? Woo. I just wanted to show y'all like a few days of my life. I don't know, I might be working a lot for this. I might be doing random things. I do need to go to Trader Joe's later too. Always so much fun. Love Trader Joe's. But yeah, so we're starting this vlog. I wanted to show also my little outfit today. So I'm wearing this little cardigan from Revolve. This is also Revolve, and both of these are linked on my Revolve favorites. And then these little shorts are so cute. They're from Glassons. They were maybe $35 or something. They were really cheap, but then shipping was like 20, so it came out to like 50, but it's fine. And then this is a jacket that I thrifted that I need to get dry cleaned, because I always like, I can't wear anything until it's clean. Do you know what I mean? So he needs to go get dry cleaned. But yeah, these little cute shorts from Glassons. And then I just have kind of these little, they're kind of boot sneaker like combo, and these are from Princess Polly, which I think are really cute. So this is the fit today. Feeling a little wild with the hair and the braids. Like, I don't know. I guess maybe some life updates I could give you guys as I go make a matcha. What time is it? Is it too late in the afternoon to have a matcha? 4:30. I feel like I can have one. I'm thinking about this really hard, but I feel like I can still make a matcha. I'm just gonna do it because maybe I'll make a small one. Sometimes I do 2 scoops, sometimes I do 1. Like maybe I'll just do 1 scoop. But as a life update, let me get my matcha ready. We have our little matchy match. This one's really good, the Vital Proteins one. But I am doing a bit of a move to New York in October. I've had a bit of a midlife crisis recently, okay? Or quarter life, if you will. And just thought, what better thing to do than move to an entirely new city for no reason. I'm just excited. Like, I have some friends there that I know from school. I have some friends that I know from Instagram, and just kind of a bunch of people up there. So I'm really excited. It's just gonna be like a new fresh start. And I actually did establish my LLC for my social media management company, so I can work from anywhere, which is really nice. And I'm just so excited. So doing that in October, it's gonna be kind of crazy. Maybe I'll start vlogging more so you guys can see like me packing or like me moving. I mean, I think my vlogs in New York will be so fun. It's just like my favorite city. I just feel so, I don't know, I feel so excited when I'm there. And it's like, I did intern there a few summers ago, if you've been around, but yeah. What if I slammed my head into this? That would have been funny. Is because I just have been in my hometown for a while, and I'm like, I kind of need to go. I need to go do my thing. Then eventually one day I'll get my golden retriever that I've always wanted, but like I need to go to a different city for a few years and just see what happens. You know what I mean? Just really see what happens. So sorry, this is becoming like a whole Q&A to myself. Get my little water. My hand is shaking. Okay, maybe I don't need any more caffeine, but it's fine. I'm gonna do just 1 scoop right now. Serving size is 1. Do a small scoop. Anyways, I'm gonna make this little matcha, and then I'm going to get my nails done with my sister. I've been getting like crazy designs for so long, and I think I'm a bit over it. So I'm gonna do just plain like nude this time. I mean, these were fun, these green with like a little lime green, but we're going plain this time. I need like a plain nude. I need to just feel like crisp and feel fabulous. So that's what I'm gonna do. but I will show y'all when I get them done. Okay, I just forgot to film that entire thing, but we just got our nails done. Mine are not what I wanted. I meant to say that. Oh no. I wanted like a clear, almost ombre pink. I mean, she just did light pink. But I let her pick the color, so that was kind of my fault.
I think they're pretty.
They'll be fine. I might change them. I'm going to New York in a few weeks, so I might switch them up before then. But light pink, and then Shelby got like a little purpley brown.
Brownish. I like it. Kind of for fall, even though it's August.
Yeah, kind of an August fall brown. And now I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. They stay up until 9, which was shocking to me. I'm like, who knew? They're working the late shift. All right, anyway, I meant to vlog in there, but it's fine. Something I will say is they had 5-minute crafts Christmas edition for the whole 2 hours. Christmas edition. That's what threw me. Like, they normally do a 5-minute craft the whole time, which is fine. Oh. I'm flying out, about to hit me.
No, you vlogging and driving.
Guys, the stairs, I mean the elevator is broken in my 5-story apartment, so I just had to walk up all the way with groceries, which, like, I'm just out of breath. I mean, that was just exhausting. Sunset, looking gorge. Anyway, I'm gonna unpack my groceries now and make dinner because it is almost 8 p.m. It's 8:04 and I have not eaten yet. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I just had a bit of a long little meeting catch up for work, and then I took my laundry out and I'm just letting it dry on my floor. I don't know if anyone else does that, but some things I just get scared that they're gonna shrink in the wash. Like, I've just had things shrink before, so I'm like not taking any chances. But a bit starving. I woke up and did some work on the porch, which I literally never do, but it was kind of a nice little change. Nice little start to my day. This is the first morning in so long that I have not gone on a morning walk. I literally go on one every single day. I'll probably go on one tomorrow morning, but I just needed a bit of a break, and I played tennis with my sister on Sunday and I am so sore. My whole back, arms, shoulders, everything is insanely sore. So I'm like, honestly, I have a ton of work to do today. Let's just not go on a walk, which, like, a walk shouldn't hurt my arms, but I'm feeling lazy. Also, I had this for breakfast. As I was showing y'all last night, I get 50 of these and it's my favorite breakfast. It's super low cal. It's like really filling because it's oats, gluten-free, dairy-free. I mean, all the things. I just love it. I'm also obsessed with the Trader Joe's salads. They kind of were like restocking yesterday, so they didn't have the best salad selection. So I have this option: quinoa, carrots. I don't know if I'm feeling this one. The other one is so good. This kale edamame salad. Oh, that door just scared me that that was open. Kale edamame salad. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's all chopped up. Like, I'm obsessed. So with a lemon herb dressing, I think this is the move. Also, I literally just fully got ready while I'm on the phone with this girl. At the end of the meeting, I'm like, I'm sorry, I think I just gave you like a full makeup tutorial while we were chatting, but I don't know. I just have to be multitasking. I have to be doing like getting ready while I'm in a meeting, or like, I don't know, probably not the best, but it's fine. You guys, I've been like thinking so hard, like, I really want to take this mirror and like maybe this painting and like maybe my desk, but I'm like, do I drive 13 hours to New York just for the mirror and the desk? Movers, like, is that expensive just to move a few things? Because I do think I'm gonna want like a new bed frame, and then I also have been trying to decide like if I want a queen bed or a full, because I feel like a full would like be better because I'd have more space in my room, but I don't know. I've just been like thinking over these things. I'm just kind of like thinking out loud. This is a very like rambly vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my salad and read my book. I'm reading a new Colleen Hoover book. Well, it's not new. It's just like one of hers that I haven't read. I'm gonna have a little lunch break, and I also look like I don't have a cute outfit on today. Otherwise, I would show you. Well, maybe I'll go to the mall later or something. don't know, but this is, oh, I got two really cute things I want to show y'all. I saw some girl wearing this on Instagram. I thought it was so stinking cute. It's from Etiquetted. Like, how do you say this word? I don't know. I love like a graphic tee or tank or something. I thought this was really cute. I really like the colors, the font, whatever. And then I'm so into trucker hats, but I didn't want to just buy one off Amazon, so I got this off of Curtsy, and I think it's really cute. You can't really tell because it's kind of dark, but it's like a green. I love the green color. Two cute things. I really don't shop for myself a ton, but sometimes I just really want like a couple like specific things, you know what I mean? Okay. It has been the longest day. Like, what do I even look like right now? But I'm going on a walk because I didn't go on my walk this morning. I'm going to grab the AirPods, do a quick walk. I have no idea what I want for dinner. I think tomorrow, I've been thinking after work I need to do a little bit of yoga, like might make a little yoga class appointment, and I don't know, just things to like break up my week because I have a lot going on. Anyway, that's that. I'm feeling a little frazzled and like just needing to go clear my head, so off I go. I always walk back in this little neighborhood and it's just so peaceful. It's so quiet, and there's like a main walking trail in Charlotte, but I just prefer to come back here. And normally I do it in the mornings. This is the first time I've done like an afternoon walk. Also, there's always this weird branch thing and I always go around because I'm scared of spiders, but I normally do a morning walk and there are so many people out right now. Like, I think I need to stick to the mornings because I like having my little zen moment, you know what I mean? Okay, super long day of work, and now I'm going to go take some pictures with my friend. By the way, lip liner is my new favorite makeup item to have because it just really pulls together a look. But anyway, I really need pics for work in this top for one of my clients and one of the socials I manage. So anyway, about to run to Uptown to go get my friend, and it's just been quite the day. I think I was gonna do like a yoga class later, but I'm like, what? Can I chill? Like, I don't, it's funny because, I mean, y'all really haven't seen me do much in this vlog, but I've done quite a bit. There's been deals managed, there's been meetings that have been had, there's been, you know, just a lot. Jewelry, I have my necklaces on, do like a ring, yeah. So I don't know if, this is the fit, by the way. I don't have this tied correctly right now because I'm just running out the door. It's this little white top, which you've probably seen all over Instagram. It's cute in the back. I want a picture of it from the back. These jeans, you guys, are the ones I thrifted, and they fit so perfectly. They're so darn cute. They're Wrangler maybe, or I don't know what they are, actually. They're really cute. Can this focus? They're really cute. I don't know what brand they are. I really like the wash, and they fit really well. So off we go. I'm gonna come back and fix this. Like, I just don't have time right now. So just took our little pics, and now guys, I'm so dehydrated. I got the vaccine and I have never felt so thirsty in my life since getting it. Not saying that it's that's the little thing's fault, but the timing lines up. So anyway, I've been so dehydrated since getting it. Again, not a medical professional. I just, the two events correlate. And so I'm gonna go get a Gatorade because I'm like, nothing will quench my thirst. I've been so thirsty. I've been eating fruit. I've been drinking like 12 canisters or cups. Like, why am I saying the word canister? I've been drinking like 12 cups of water, and I have never been so thirsty in my life. So getting not a Diet Coke. Oh, I wish. Getting a Gatorade, and pics went well. I just kind of need some pics of this top, like I said. But I'm about to go into a hair studio looking at very extra. It's fine. And I just drove by. Oh, is this a spot? Oh my gosh. And I also decided I'm gonna get sushi. So I'm gonna get sushi for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna get a Gatorade, and I just can't wait. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what kind of content you guys want to see when I move to New York, and just any other videos in general. I know I've been slacking lately, and it's hard, but I'm getting back into it. So let me know what y'all want to see. Bye.